everybody. I am at school right now. Miss Sharon and Miss Kylie and I have been cleaning, getting things ready for summer, and I thought I would read our last book here on our porch so that you can see our signs behind us and our door and our classroom. Misses you so much. We miss you being here with us. So I thought I would read our story here today, and this book is called Last Day, Hooray! Because you have done a great job with being at school this year and doing stuff on Zoom and online, and we are so proud of you, and it's time to celebrate. So, last day, hooray! Yay! Last day! Look at the little toes. They're getting excited for summer. It's getting warm. It's very warm today. It was almost summer, and all over town, everyone was counting the days. 4, 3, 2. What comes after 2? 1. Countdown. 1 day left, squealed Ivy and Leah. Miss Wheeler thought today would never come. 4, 3, 2, 1. Miss Wheeler. At the brick building on the hill, Mr. Masters checked his list. 1 day left to get things done. Our principal, so he'd be like the head of school, like Miss Suzette. Mr. Handy, we have Mr. Andy at our school, right? And we have Mr. Barry, whistled 1 more day to wipe footprints and spills. Must be the handyman. Miss Bell stuck flags and cupcakes. Leah, Tyrone, Jody, Ryan, Ivy, she knew their names by heart. And look, they're getting into June. That's the next month that's coming up, right? Next, on Monday. On the steps, Ivy pointed. Mr. Masters is the lost and found. We have lost and found, right, when we leave something behind at school. He's put all the things that they lost on his body. Eric's hat, said Tyrone. Jolene's umbrella, yelled Sophie. My knapsack, giggled Ivy. So summer is coming. Wow, look at their classroom. Henry had a surprise for Miss Bell. I love surprises, said Leah. I hate goodbyes, said Ivy. Tyrone had a goodbye card from all of them. Sign this, he whispered to Leah. Hey, we can write to each other over the summer, Ivy said. That sounds fun. You've been writing to each other too, huh, right? Miss Bell took down their pictures. We can talk on the phone, said Leah. They're coming up with really good ideas, right? I think this little girl kind of looks like me a little bit. She's got the glasses and the bangs across. Look at all their artwork. Cleaning time, said Miss Bell. That's what we've been doing in our class right now. We've been cleaning. Leah pushed the broom. Ivy held the dustpan. Sharon sprayed the cleaner. Tommy wiped the tables. My goodness, they're all helping, right? Mr. Masters collected the kickballs. We have kickballs and soccer balls out on our soccer field, right? Miss Bell stacked all the books. Mr. Handy emptied all the trash. Ryan and Christy would take home the fish. Goodbye, fishies, said Jolene. She cleaned the tank with soap. There we go. Sometimes we have some animals that we have to clean up after too, right? Stick bugs. And Miss Jessica and Miss Julie have a fish tank that we've seen before. Warm bubbles drifted and floated like summer daydreams. Look, they're cleaning and thinking about the summer. Ivy's under the sprinkler daydream. Mr. Handy's at the ball game daydream. Oh, he's gonna go to the ball game and he's gonna have a hot dog. Miss Bell's breakfast in bed daydream. Oh, that sounds so nice. Mr. Masters' vegetable garden daydream. Some of you guys have been we're gardening here at school, and I had some kale that I got from the garden today. It was really good. Mrs. Wheeler's blue bicycle daydream. Oh, look at her. She's gonna go ride on her bike. Leah's reading with her grandma daydream. We had a story time with my grandma, remember? Ivy's playing school daydream. I know some of you have been playing school at home, right? I've seen Hudson's trays. He had the plates that were his trays, like he was in our classroom. It was really cool. They cleaned and dreamed till recess when Tyrone yelled, "Has everyone signed the card?" Leah couldn't wait to hang the paper chains. Ivy couldn't wait to give the cake to Miss Bell. My goodness, what are they gonna do? Do you think they're gonna have a party? Kind of like we're gonna have today, right? I'm reading this ahead of time, but we're gonna have a little picnic, snack time party for our last day. After recess, their room was bare. Recess is their playtime, right? It smelled of cleaner. No books on the shelves, no alphabet letters on the walls, no kickball by the door. There's nothing left. Everything's all cleaned up. Tyrone shouted, "Too quiet." Ivy shouted, "Too empty." Leah whispered, "Time to decorate." They're gonna decorate for their party. Ivy loved making their room beautiful once more. Much better, declared Leah. "Hide!" hollered Tyrone. "Here she comes." Look, the cake says, "We'll miss you, Miss Bell." They're gonna miss their teacher. Ooh, there's a bee in front of my face. I must want to go to the lavender. Yep, right next to my body. "Surprise!" says, "Thanks for teaching us." And it's got all of their names: Tyrone, Jody, Sophie, Eric, Ivy. Ivy was writing on the board, "Dear everybody, see you next fall." And we're all gonna see you next fall too, right? Love, Ivy. Why? Why did they say that? Why did she write that? Because it's the last day. Hooray! The school year is done. Everyone's smarter. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! What a fun book. And look at the back. They're all going home. They get to ride on a school bus, because I think these children are a little bit older than we are, right? And than our classes. Thank you so much for listening, and I'm really glad I got to read it next to our class door. And we miss having you here so much, and can't wait for those of you who are coming back next fall to come through the door once more. And for those that are leaving, we're going to see you tomorrow, Saturday, so we can say goodbye. So I will see you all soon, and I love you very much. Bye.